everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. For those of you who might be new here, my name is Johanna and I've been documenting my journey on how I lost 100 pounds of fat this past year and my life since then. Now, part of losing that much weight is a lot of exercise, and believe me, if there's one thing I know, it is how to come up with every reason under the sun to not work out. But today we are going to be going over some easy at-home workouts called calisthenics, which do not require any equipment, any weights, just your body weight to use as resistance. You don't need a gym membership, you can do this right at home. Essentially what I'm saying is, no excuses, let's get moving.
Let's give it up for our beautiful model here who is going to show us how it's done today. It's important to start and end each workout no matter what you're doing with full body stretches. Benefits of stretching before and after workouts include increased flexibility, lower risk of injury, and it just feels good. If you want a full stretching routine, let me know in the comments down below and I'd be happy to make that for you. While you're down there in the comments, please like the video and subscribe. It's free and it really helps me out a lot.
Fanny. She wants to play. Sit. Go down. Down. That's good girl. It's like goat yoga for the pooch.
Yeah, pooch yoga.
We're going to do a couple more standing stretches before getting into our first exercise, squats. Now, as we get ready to squat, let's make sure our posture is correct. We do not want to stick our butt out behind us, keep a flat back, and hinge slightly at the hips. This will keep us from falling over. The lower you squat, the more of a workout you'll get. If this is too much on your hips, only go as far as you're comfortable with. If you're feeling spicy, add in a one-legged squat. Put one foot out in front of you and keep your leg as straight as possible. Keep your arms out if you'd like to increase your balance and go as low as you can go. Next, we're moving on to some side lunges. Take a wide stance, again, hinge slightly at the hips and don't stick your butt out. Here we are going to do a slow march with our hands above our heads. This will loosen up the hips more, and if you have a weight or anything heavy, this is a good core workout as well. Now, these are my favorite, but don't blame me if you can't sit on the toilet tomorrow because your glutes and your quads are going to burn. With our front and back lunges, don't slam your foot against the ground or use the ground to launch yourself back up. This is a slow and controlled motion. We're going to try and get that back knee as close to the ground as possible. Now let's take it to the ground and stack our shoulders directly above our elbows for our plank. Don't stick your butt in the air. We want a straight line from your shoulders all the way down to your heels. Hold this for as long as you can or try to do 3 sets of 30 seconds each. If it's easier for you to come up on your palms, feel free. This is a good transition into our next exercise, push-ups. Push-ups are an arm exercise, so we want to keep our shoulders away from our ears and our back flat. Let's move on to our side plank. Keep both feet on the ground on their side, one foot in front of the other, shoulders stacked above your elbow and the opposite arm either on your hip or balancing in the air. Hold this for as long as you can and be sure to do both sides. Good old-fashioned crunches, but don't worry, we're going to add a progression here if you're feeling crazy. Cradle the back of your head in your hands and keep the elbows out and the shoulders down. Lift yourself towards your knees with your upper abs. Your arms are not doing the work here. Time for the progression. Put your legs into tabletop. This is a 90-degree angle in the knees where your knees are stacked on top of your hips and your shins are parallel to the ground. This will engage your core. This involves some coordination, so listen and watch closely. We're going to bring the right elbow to the left knee while straightening out the right leg. Keep alternating back and forth and remember to keep those elbows wide. Bring yourself up, put your feet flat on the ground, keep your back straight to engage your core, and start your twists by keeping your fingertips together and tapping the ground on each side of your behind. If you want a progression here, bring your legs into tabletop so you're balancing, and continue your fingertip touches for as long as you can, or 3 sets of 10 to 20. If you're a little crazy, you can straighten your legs out as much as you can, but just keep those legs tight together. Last thing we're doing is tricep dips. Bring your behind off the side of a couch or chair, lower yourself to the ground by bending at the elbows using your arms, not your back or your legs. And there you have it, an easy, quick, at-home workout, no equipment required. If you want more workouts like these or longer workouts targeting the legs, core, or arms specifically, let me know in the comments below. Please like, subscribe, share with a friend. With that, I thank you so much for watching and I wish you a lovely day.